Okay, so you know you need to get on the email marketing train, but where do you even start? What do you actually include in your email newsletters? I mean, you know that consistency is really important, but how do you ensure that you are showing up with value-packed pieces of content every time you land in someone's inbox? At the end of the day, your goal is to create email newsletters that your subscribers actually want to read. So how the heck do you even do that? Well, luckily for you, you landed on this video because I've got lots of sparkly inspiration for you. So let's dive into my 7 email newsletters you need to send as a service business. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Kate Emiley and I'm a brand and content strategist, and I love helping small business owners just like you build their brands online. So you're a service-based business, maybe you're a coach or a consultant, and you're wanting to share your expertise with your audience, and you're wanting to really build this influence and be able to showcase that you are in fact the expert in what it is you do. And email marketing is the way you've decided to share this message. And I mean, why wouldn't you, right? It's got the biggest return on investment of any marketing activity you could be doing, clocking in at $36 for every $1 you spend, which is just insane, right? And if you're seeing little to no return from your social media, I get it. A lot of businesses are really struggling to get organic growth on Instagram and actually convert to sales. In fact, I took a whole month off, which was so freeing, and I would highly recommend it. Social media should be part of your marketing strategy, not your entire strategy, but I digress. Let's dive into this video, which is all about email newsletters and how you can leverage the power of email to build your community and to share your message with your audience. Your brain is going to be bursting with ideas, with all this inspiration, so let's dive in. Number 1 is a content promoter. So if you're already creating content for your audience, maybe you're sharing a blog or a YouTube channel or podcast, then this is going to be an easy one for you. You can share emails whenever something new goes live with your audience and create a little bit of buzz about what this piece of content is going to be about. So use this email as a teaser. So this is your opportunity to tease the fact that they should go and listen or read or watch the bigger piece of content. Number 2 is an announcement. So if you're speaking at an event or you're running a masterclass, make sure you tell your list about it. Make sure you share that you have this incredible thing that you are going to be creating and sharing with the world. Give maybe a couple of dot points about what's included, and include a big shiny button to allow your subscribers to buy tickets. Make sure it's super clear that this is the call to action they need to make. Don't have an event coming up? Well, make one. They're not hard to create and to get started. In this video here, I share 7 profitable ideas that you can create a workshop from. Number 3 is a freebie. So nothing says I love you like a freebie. So your audience is going to be rewarded with some value-packed piece of content that's really going to help them in their business or their life, whether it's a guide, a template, or some free class that you're just offering to your subscribers, because you want to make them feel special. That really has a purpose and is something that they're going to want to continue to open up your emails and look out for your content in the future. Number 4 is a promotion. So this is your opportunity to drive a little bit of extra revenue in your business and promote something that you offer at maybe a discount or at a bonus, but make sure there's some sort of urgency involved so that they have only a really short time frame to take advantage of this. You may want to line this up with some sort of holiday, maybe a Black Friday special or Christmas or Mother's Day or whatever it is. Or you could just create your own reason for promotion. Maybe it's a business birthday, or you've reached a milestone, or you just want to celebrate in some way. Number 5 is a mini blog. So use your email as an opportunity to share a piece of almost long form content. So add a little bit more detail, add those headers in, and make it really easy to read and digest and take away some tips and strategies straight away. Remember that your email subscribers are in skim mode, so making it really easy to read and understand is so important. If you're loving the ideas in this video, then make sure you download my free email marketing guide, which shares 10 strategies and tips for implementing them in your business. There's a link below if you want to download that one now. The sixth idea is tell a story. So as a business owner speaking to other business owners, you have a unique advantage. You've been where your audience has been in the past. And so you can share challenges and how you've overcome them, really sharing that personal behind the scenes look at how to do what you do. And number 7 is a check-in. So this is a really short, concise email that you could send out to your subscribers. Email newsletters do not have to be really lengthy, creative pieces of content. They can be simple and short, and you can really drive some sort of call to action, whether it be to a Q&A session with you, or to download something, or just to say, hey, if you're experiencing this challenge, reply to this email and I'll provide you with some tips. Now you should be bursting with ideas for your next email newsletter, and you might want to mix up these ideas and try new things every single week or fortnight or however often you send your newsletter, because to keep it fresh, you're going to keep your audience really engaged and interested in what you are sharing. But what's your next step? You want your audience to actually open and read these emails. So you are going to want to be able to create killer subject lines that spark curiosity and make your email subscriber go, oh, this looks really interesting. I'm going to open this one. So if you want some ideas for subject lines, go and watch this video here where I share 20 ideas for engagement boosting subject lines. But that's it for me for today. I hope you love this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Otherwise, I'll see you back here with another video I know you're gonna love. So until then, bye for now.